in today's 2022 Talento event. This event is organized to
present over here. It is my pleasure to start this Talento program 2022 virtually in this platform for our all VIPs online global school students. This is especially meant for you all to come up with your new talent which is hidden inside.
the curiosity in all of you actually. So it's really lovely to have you all here. I wish you all all the best, and I hope you're going to have a blasting day. You're going to have a really memorable day.
From the brother using skills like flipping and bicycle goals.
It's gonna be very amazing to show. So hope you guys are gonna like my magic tricks. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So as you can see, I have a normal pen. Now what I'm gonna do is make the pen fly in my hand. So I'll hold the pen in my hand and I'll hold my other hand, and now look, it's not falling. But now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this trick. As you can see, I have kept my finger here so that the pen won't fall.
This was disheartening to read and hear. So I would love to invent an artificial pen that can save life.
I am Fatima. I am from grade 3. I am studying in VIP Online Global School. You are welcome to our
I made it using a 1.5
VIP Online Global School. I am very happy to appreciate the VIP administration who conducted a talent program to our children for showing their talents